till chapter 28, Holy Spirit records Paul's ministry only. Here we have to learn four things. Why Holy Spirit recorded Paul's ministry? Because the Holy Spirit revealed what type of ministry they have to do. That ministry which one does is going to be recognized. Which ministry? The revealed ministry. Four things. Revealed ministry. Second, recorded ministry. Then, recognized ministry. Four, rewarded ministry. I think you understand this. What is the revealed ministry? Acts 13, chapter 2 and 3. The Holy Spirit revealed that these two should be set aside for the ministry. The Holy Spirit determined it. So, they two must be together to, before that, recognize ministry. Holy Spirit recognizes the ministry which one does according to the revelation. What is the revealed? ఆ రివీల్డ్ మినిస్ట్రీ చేసింది ఎవరు? పాల్. మూడోది రికార్డెడ్ మినిస్ట్రీ. సో ఓన్లీ పాల్ మినిస్ట్రీ వాస్ రికార్డెడ్. సో విచ్ మినిస్ట్రీ is recorded? The ministry which is recorded is going to be rewarded.